6:59.
Elliot, radio check, please.
Loud and clear.
Thank you.
Came from the siren because they used to have two sirens, one up here and one down in South Eliot.
Yeah.
And then they cut back to one.
So which station did this come from?
That would have been probably down on Main Street and Cross Street.
So you don't know where the other one is?
Well, the other one's probably up in the pole out back.
Well, it's the same one as the one that it's the same one. They moved it.
Well, this came from another portion of the station.
Oh.
And then they got one down on South Eliot. So.
Yeah. You can spin it up. Be careful. Yeah. Thank you for bringing me down here.
Old time stuff.
It's a 5T, because see the 2 rows here?
Yep.
So if you know anything about sirens, that produces
The different tones.
yeah, different from the one outside.
And then they got the shut off so you can adjust it. So no, that's for that. But yeah.
That's just the rotor. This
Yep.
that's the motor down there.
Cutting the air.
Yeah.